Assalamu alaikum students. So we are again here with the models as we have already discussed some models in the previous lecture. Now we are going to discuss some important models here as well. So first I have written here model. After that what it expresses, and after that the example of that. Okay, so firstly we will discuss the model can. Okay, what it expresses. So model can, it expresses power or ability, it expresses permission, it also expresses the possibility, right? Okay, so let's see an example. She can dance well. Okay, so this is her ability. Okay, this is her power, that she, it might be her ability that she can dance well. Okay, ये उसकी ability है कि वो अच्छे से dance कर सकती है. Okay, after that this is I can lift this box. I can lift this box. This box, ये जो box है मैं इसको उठा सकता हूँ. So this is my power. Okay, I can lift this box, right? So this is my power, and she can dance well. This is the ability. Now, can also denotes the permission. For example, you can use my bicycle. Okay, you can use my bicycle. You can go now. This is the permission. Okay, you can go now. Okay, after that, it also expresses the possibility. Uh, as it's written here, let's see an example. It can happen to anyone. Okay, this is the possibility that this incident, this thing can happen to anyone. This is a possibility, right? Or probability, you can say. Possibility or probability, right? Possibility, or I can write it, add probability, right? You can say it. Okay, so it can happen to anyone, this thing can happen to anyone, or this incident can happen to anyone, right? Now there is someone outside. Who can it be? Okay, कोई बाहर है, ये कौन हो सकता है? Who can it be? Okay, okay, it's probability. He can be a guest. Okay, he can be a neighbor, he can be a stranger. Okay, there is a possibility, there is a probability that he can be anyone. Okay, there is someone. Who can it be? Okay, let's move forward. Now the model could, where it's used. First of all, let us see where it is, what it is expressing. Could expresses a request. Okay, so for example, let me tell you an example. Could you tell me the time, please? Okay, this is a request. Could you tell me the time, please? Could you bring me a glass of water? Right? Could you bring me a glass of water? क्या आप मेरे लिए glass of water ला सकते हैं? So I want to point out here one thing. That's if any student will tell me, sir, tell me, if I tell you, can you tell me the time, please? Okay, तो बेटा मैं आपको उसका जवाब ऐसे दूंगा. Okay, can you bring me a glass of water? सपोज अगर मुझे कोई बोलेगा सर कैन यू ब्रिंग मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, सर अगर मैं लिखूंगा या लिखूंगी कैन यू टेल मी द टाइम प्लीज. सो व्हाट अबाउट कैन? देखो बेटा, यहाँ पे आपको दो चीज़ों, एक चीज़ का जो है इल्म रखना है. दैट्स इट्स कैन हियर इज यूज्ड फॉर पावर और एबिलिटी. ओके, हियर it's a request. Could is a request. Here is can, it's power or ability. लिहाजा if you say can you tell me the time please, so can इसमें आता है या तो ये can जाहिर करेगा पावर या ये can जाहिर करेगा एबिलिटी. तो इस बंदे के पास दोनों है. क्या है? इसके पास पावर भी है एंड एबिलिटी भी है कि वो आपको टाइम टेल कर सकता है. हम कैन इसलिए नहीं लगाएंगे, बल्कि कुड यू टेल मी द टाइम प्लीज, क्या आप मुझे टाइम बताएंगे? सिर्फ देख के बताना है, क्योंकि उसमें दोनों चीजें हैं. पावर भी उसमें है ये देखने का और बताने का, और एबिलिटी भी उस आदमी में ऑलरेडी ही है. लिहाजा कैन नहीं लगेगा बेटा यहाँ पर. क्लियर? रिक्वेस्ट, कुड यू टेल मी द टाइम प्लीज, कुड यू ब्रिंग मी ए ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. लिहाजा उसको इससे डिफ्रेंशिएट करने के लिए यहाँ पे कुड लगेगा. Okay, number second, could also denotes the possibility, right? Don't worry, they could have forgotten to phone. Okay, फिक्र न करें, वो फोन करना भूल गए होंगे, right? I could help him if I would. Okay, if I could help him, sorry, if I could help him I would. Okay, अगर मैं उसकी हेल्प कर सका मैं करूँगा. ओके, पॉसिबिलिटी, अगर मैं कर सका तो उसकी हेल्प, यानी कि अगर मुझ में उतनी ताकत हुई, मेरे पास उतने पैसे हुए, ओके, मुझ में उतनी ताकत हुई उसको हेल्प करने की, तो मैं उसकी हेल्प ज़रूर करूँगा. इफ़ आई कुड हेल्प हिम आई वुड. ओके, दिस इज द पॉसिबिलिटी. ओके, डिनोटेड बाय द could. Another thing that's denoted by the could, that's permission. For example, could I use your phone? Okay, okay, here is, now there is the model may. Okay, may is another model whose expressing we will see here. First of all, it's used as a wish, to denote, to express wish. For example, may you live long. Okay, आप लंबी उम्र जिए. May our country prosper. Okay, may you prosper. Okay, अच्छा. Number second, may is also denote, may it also denotes the purpose. Okay, कोई purpose भी ये डिनोट करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी ईट सो दैट वी मे लिव. ओके, हम खाते हैं ताकि हम जिंदा रहें. दिस इज द पर्पज. सो वी ईट फॉर द पर्पज, सो दैट वी माइट लिव. ओके, सो दैट वी मे लिव. ओके, permission. Okay, may, it's also used as a permission. In may, there is also a permission. Okay, for example, this is, may I come in, sir? Okay, may you may go now. So may is also used to express the permission. For example, at some times when we say to us, sir, may I come in please? Okay, may I come in, or may I go out? Okay, you may go now. Okay, आप जा सकते हैं. This is the permission, right? So can, may is used to express wish, is used to express purpose, it's used to express permission, according to these examples given here, right? Now let's move towards another model, that's might, right? So I have told you that this expresses the past of may. For example, when I say the past of may, for example, he said I might go. उसने कहा मुझे जाना चाहिए. Okay, he said, मैंने पहले कहा बेटा, might you will see past of may, right? So he said, उसने कहा, said is the past. So यहाँ पे may नहीं लगेगा. Okay, might लगेगा, because as I already told that might is the past of may. So when it comes he said is the past tense. I might go. Okay, next example, I thought he might help her. Thought, think and thought. Thought is the past again, right? So I thought, जब यहाँ पे past लगेगा, here it will go like might. I thought he might help her, right? Next one, the model express what the might expresses. It expresses the possibility. He might pass this year. Okay, he might pass this year. He might be at home now. So यहाँ पे जो है बेटा, जो मॉडल माइट है ये पॉसिबिलिटी एक्सप्रेस करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही माइट पास दिस ईयर, इस साल वो पास हो सकता है. ही माइट बी एट होम नाउ, वो इस टाइम घर पे हो सकता है. ओके, now the model would, this is the past of will. Okay, so for example, I told, this told is tell, told this past. Okay, him, that the doctor, that I would, sorry, come. Okay, I told him that I would come. As I already told you that would is the past of will, so it will go like this. I told him that I would come. This is told, this is the past tense. Okay, so here would will come. The doctor knew. Okay, doctor knew. No, knew, K-N-O-W, no, and knew is the past tense of no. As it already told that what is the past of will. So here the doctor knew that the patient would. Okay, knew, past, it will go with would die. The doctor knew that the patient would die. Would is used to express the request. Okay, would you close the window? Would you tell me the time? Now here is the question, my dear students. You might ask that, so would is used for request and here could is also used for request. So बेटा यहाँ पे आप could भी लगा सकते हैं और यहाँ पे आप would भी लगा सकते हैं. Could you close the window? Correct. Could you tell me the time? Both are correct if you use here could. If you use here could or would, both are correct. Okay, like this as could, request, would you tell me the time please is also correct. अगर आप यहाँ लिखेंगे would you bring me a glass of water, that's also perfectly correct. Now go on. Duty, oh sorry, this is okay. Now another model, that's should. Okay, now should is the past of shall. Okay, past of shall. He insisted that the paper should be destroyed. He insisted. Insisted. Insisted is the past of insist. Okay, so here it will come should. So he insisted that the paper should be destroyed. Right? Okay. This you have to remember that should is the past of shall. Now should is also used for expressing duty or obligation. For example, we should obey our parents. Okay, and obligation, you should have completed the work. This is an obligation, this is a thing that is to be done. Okay, that's you should have completed the work. तुम काम खत्म कर चुके होगे, जरूरी. Okay, this is the obligation. We should obey our parents. Okay, now this is the duty, you should have completed the work. Okay, and we should obey our parents, this is the obligation. Right? Should लगता है बेटा एक्सप्रेस करने को एडवाइस भी. For example, you should give up smoking. Okay, I am telling you that you should give up smoking. This is an advice. You should take this medicine regularly. दवाइयाँ आप regularly लें. This is an advice. So in the advice, should is also used to express advice like this. After that, there is must. The model must. It is used to express the necessity or obligation. For example, we must obey our parents. Okay, देखिए बेटा, यहाँ पे मैंने कहा नेसेसिटी या ऑब्लिगेशन. नेसेसिटी मीन ज़रूरत, ऑब्लिगेशन मीन ज़रूरी, जो कि ज़रूरी हमें करना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं बोलूँ, आप बताएंगे अभी मस्ट, वी मस्ट ओबे आवर पेरेंट्स, तो आप अभी कहेंगे सर वी शुड ओबे आवर पेरेंट्स. क्या करेंगे? बोथ आर करेक्ट. यू मस्ट बी, शुड बी. राइट? अगर कहीं पे आएगा दोनों ठीक है. अब ये मतलब सेंस पे डिपेंड करता है. ओके, अगर मैं किसी को बोलता हूँ हाँ तुम्हें अपने पेरेंट्स की का ओबे करना चाहिए, सो यू शुड ओबे योर पेरेंट्स. अगर मैं सिट्रस दे के कहता हूँ तो वी मस्ट ओबे आवर पेरेंट्स. अगर नॉर्मली सेंटेंस आता है, आप बोलेंगे सर हम क्या लिखेंगे, वी डाइट ओबे आवर पेरेंट्स, वहाँ पे ज़्यादा मस्ट ही लिखेंगे. ठीक है, लेकिन बोथ आर करेक्ट. अगर आप शुड भी लिखेंगे बोथ आर करेक्ट. अब शुड का ट्रांसलेशन और मस्ट का ट्रांसलेशन ये है बेटा कि शुड लगता है जब मैं किसी को क्या, फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी को बता रहा हूँ सिंपली वी शुड ओबे आवर पेरेंट्स. ओके, हमें अपने पेरेंट्स की क्या करनी चाहिए, ओबे. यू मस्ट, ये मस्ट जो है ये स्ट्रेस देता है यहाँ पर, अदरवाइज बोथ आर करेक्ट. ओके, इट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड वी मस्ट वर्क, हमें काम करना चाहिए. दिस इज एन नेसेसिटी, जरूरत है ये. ओके, हमें काम करना चाहिए. फिक्स्ड डिटर्मिनेशन. ओके, मुसम्मम इरादा. आई मस्ट फिनिश दिस बुक टुडे, मुझे आज ये बुक खत्म करनी ही करनी है. Right? This is the firm determination. After that, there is duty. Must also expresses duty. We must serve our parents. हमें अपने parents की खिदमत करनी चाहिए. This is the duty. Right? Okay.